Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will follow a natural and easy conversation between two friends, Ellie and Ken. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start the video, I have a small question for you. Please listen with this question in mind as you watch. This will help you focus, and it will help you understand the story more deeply. So here is the question. If you want to lose belly fat, what kind of workout routine should you do? The answer is mentioned in the conversation between Ellie and Ken. If you find the answer, please write it in the comment section. By writing your answer in English, you can practice output and improve your English more effectively. All right, are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Hey, are you feeling okay today?
Yeah, I think so. I'm a little tired, but I'm okay now.
That's good. If you feel uncomfortable at any point, just tell me.
Thanks, I appreciate that. I'm still not very confident at gyms.
That's totally okay. Everyone starts somewhere.
I guess so. Just walking in already makes me a bit nervous.
It's okay. Everyone is just focused on their own workout.
All right, that helps a little.
Okay, let's go inside.
Wow, it's really spacious.
This gym has multiple floors. We'll explore them later. It closes at 8, so we have plenty of time.
I didn't expect that. I thought gyms were just one big room.
Some are, but this one is more like a small sports center.
So this is where I scan my card, right?
Yes, just hold it close to the scanner.
Like this?
Perfect. You're all set.
That was easy.
You're a gym member now.
I never thought I'd hear that.
You'll get used to it.
So what's the first step?
We always start with a warm-up.
I know you said that, but can you remind me why?
It helps prevent injuries and prepares your body.
That makes sense. I don't want to get hurt.
It also helps your body burn fat more efficiently. If we warm up lightly, then do weight training, and finish with cardio, it's the most effective order for losing weight.
I didn't know that. Then I guess warming up properly is really important.
Exactly. Let's head to the treadmills.
There are so many machines here.
Don't worry, you'll learn them one by one.
Okay, I'll trust the process.
Step on carefully.
It started moving.
That's the default speed. You can slow it down.
This pace feels comfortable.
Good. Keep your posture relaxed.
How long are we walking again?
1 mile. We'll take it easy.
I'm watching the numbers change.
Distance can motivate you sometimes.
It feels less boring than I expected.
You can also listen to music or podcasts.
Maybe next time I'll try that.
How's your breathing?
It's fine. I can still talk comfortably.
That's a good sign.
Okay, 1 mile done.
Nice job. Let's step off slowly.
I already feel warmer.
That's perfect. All right, let's start the main training now. Let's go to the weight room.
This area feels more serious.
There are many types of weights here: dumbbells, barbells, and kettlebells. Each one has a different purpose. Dumbbells are great for control and balance. Barbells let you lift heavier weights, and kettlebells are good for full body movement.
All right, what do I grab first?
Let's start with light dumbbells.
These don't look too scary.
Exactly. We'll work on your shoulders.
How many times again?
10 reps, slow and controlled.
1, 2.
Keep going.
My arms are starting to feel heavy.
That's normal. You're doing well.
10.
Great. Take a short break.
I didn't expect it to be this tiring.
Small movements can still be intense.
How many sets left?
2 more.
All right, let's do it.
Now let's move to arms.
Which part exactly?
First, the back of your arms.
I always forget which is which.
You'll remember with practice.
This cable machine feels different.
It gives constant resistance.
I can really feel it.
Good. That's what we want.
Now the front of my arms?
Yes. Change the handle.
Like this?
Perfect.
My arms are definitely tired now.
You're working hard.
Okay, what's next?
Chest. Bench press.
This looks a bit scary.
We'll start light. Lie down.
The bar alone feels heavy.
Focus on your form.
If I get stuck, help me.
Of course. Just say it.
Okay, spot me.
I've got you.
That felt safer.
Good. Safety first.
How do you train your back?
We'll use this machine.
How much weight should I choose?
Start with 40 pounds.
That sounds heavy.
It's manageable.
Okay. Wow, I can feel my back muscles.
That's great awareness.
Now I'm sweating a lot.
That's part of the process.
Are we almost done?
Almost. Let's work on legs.
My legs are already tired from walking.
It's okay. You still have more strength. Your legs have some of the biggest muscles in your body, so training them gives you the biggest overall benefit.
Oh, really? So it's good for dieting too?
Exactly. People even say that if you want to lose belly fat, you should do squats instead of just abs exercises.
Wow, that's surprising. All right, let's do it. Which machine are we using?
We'll use this one. It's called a Smith machine.
I feel safer using it.
Good. Squat slowly.
My thighs are burning.
That means it's effective.
Okay, I believe you.
Let's adjust this machine next.
Is this for the front of my thighs?
Yes, exactly.
And the back?
We'll do that after.
Got it. Now my legs feel really weak.
Just a little more. Okay, you finished it safely.
Okay, that was harder than I thought.
But you did it.
I'm proud of myself.
You should be.
So now we cool down?
Yes, let's stretch.
My muscles feel tight.
Stretching helps recovery.
After resting a bit, I'd like to look around the gym.
Sure, I'll show you around.
I didn't know gyms had so many areas.
This is the cardio area. You used the treadmill earlier.
And this is the free weight area?
Exactly.
Where do people change clothes?
The locker room. Your card works as the key.
That's convenient.
Upstairs, there's an indoor running track.
You can run indoors?
Yes, especially useful in bad weather.
And that court below.
Basketball.
I didn't expect that.
The top floor has tennis and badminton.
This place really has everything.
That's why people like it.
What time is it now?
Let me check. It's almost 8.
Oh, closing time already.
Yeah, we should leave.
I didn't realize we stayed so long.
Time flies when you're active.
I'm exhausted, but it feels good.
That's a great feeling.
Thanks for guiding me today.
Anytime.
I think I can come alone next time.
That's a big step.
Let's come again together, too.
Of course.
Okay, let's go before they kick us out.
Yeah, let's go.
How was it? I hope this video helped you enjoy learning English and understand gym-related conversations more naturally. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. If you want to lose belly fat, what kind of workout routine should you do? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you notice it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English, designed for English learners. You can relax, listen, and learn English naturally. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. Your support really motivates me. All right, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.